Hey guys, welcome back to Little Homestead Adventures. Today, as you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be cleaning all the cages, the bird room. This is technically the bird room. Here we have a pair of parakeets breeding. And this is just a temporary cage for breeding because I already ordered those 6-pack of cages. 6 cages for breeding, and they're specifically for breeding. But as of right now, I just put them in, there. Then in here we have just an extra cage. I'm sure we're going to use this for the cockatoos, probably. But right now the cockatoos, we're going to make sure they're male and female. They're pretty young still, so they're still there though. And then the lovebirds. As you can see, we have 4 peach phase and a yellow one right there. Lovebird. Over there are the parakeets. All of them have really good cages, big cages, so... And then plus they fly around here all the time. So we're just right now they're in the cage. Just because I'm gonna be opening the door back and forth, and I don't want them to get out the door and fly all over the house because that would be a pain in the butt to get them in inside back in their bird room. So this big old cage right here, fly cage. We don't have nobody in there. I am planning to have my younger parakeets in there. And you can see there's nothing in there. There is a nest box. I do not recommend you encouraging your birds or having a nest box in there for whenever they're young. Basically, when I say young, I mean when their cere is not fully brown, which is brown as a female, and blue is a male. So you want to make sure they're not encouraged to breed until they are mature to breed. So today we're going to get all the parakeets that are not, the cere is not, it's pink or purple. We're going to get them and we're going to put them in this cage. And this cage is just going to be for them until they mature. And then this cage is going to be for the ones that are mature and can breed. And then up there we have that breeding pair over there. The cage is not that small, but it is kind of small for a parakeet. I do not recommend them to be in that cage. But right now I ordered my 6 cages for breeding, so I'm just waiting for them to arrive, and then I'll transfer them to them. But yeah, this is pretty much what we have here. In here we have our quails. We're not going to worry about them, even though they're in the bird room. They're considered a bird though. But yeah, so the floors and everything. Over here we have stuff for my kids. I have to change all this in the back. As you can see, most of the stuff are for like towels, blankets, and all kind of stuff. The AC right there. So we're transferring all that stuff to my room, which my room is huge, so I know they'll be fine in there. So yeah, let's get started on cleaning all this. I am gonna be wearing a safety mask for the cleaning, only because I'm pregnant, and I'm gonna be wearing gloves only because I'm pregnant, not because you can't do it if you're not pregnant, of course, but it's just recommended for pregnant women to be safe. And yeah, then I'm doing this, and then this, and then yeah, so you just watch me how I do it, and yeah, let's go from there. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much the final results. Looking really clean now. You can see some feathers and stuff, but I have a thing that absorbs the feathers. I have to plug it in. But other than that, it looks pretty clean to me. That's pretty much the things that we do here. That's how we clean our cages. Looks pretty good, decent. I believe so. So everybody's looking clean, looking fresh. Alright. So yeah guys, that's pretty much how we clean the cages. Alright guys, see you in the next time. Hope you guys having a blessing day. And like always, God bless. Goodbye.